In today's video, I'll guide you on how you'd be able to change your Facebook page name. So let's get started. So first is that you want to log in into your Facebook page right here in the Facebook app. So you could do that by logging in into a Facebook account first that has access or permission to change your Facebook page name on your Facebook page. So once you're here, you want to tap on the menu button on the bottom right. And now in here, you want to tap on your settings icon on the top right. In here is that you want to scroll down and then you should see your page setup icon or option, which is this one. So you want to tap on it under stories, tap, and then from here, you'd now be able to see the name. So you want to tap on it again. Now in here, you can now change the name by simply inputting the name that you'd want to hear. So sample, let's say sample tutorial page. And next you want to tap on done and then tap on review change. And from here, you just need to submit for approval. And then once you tapped on that button, then your new page name was submitted for review. So it might take up to 3 days, but it should not take that long if you don't have any violations or whatsoever. So yeah, that's it on how you can change your Facebook page name. Thank you for watching.